All right, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. Quick little overall market update. So I did open up a short position during my live trading session today with the LPP team on both Robinhood and on AMC. I closed out the Robinhood short already. Just made a few $100, nothing crazy. And as you guys can see, I left myself with my one lucky share. Like I've told you guys before, I do not care about these meme stocks. I view them just as any other stock. I'm here to day trade them, right? If direction is clear on the way up or direction is clear on the way down, then I will choose to take advantage of that opportunity. And when AMC became very overbought, I saw some pullback potential, so I quickly shorted it on that retracement. Again, AMC as of right now and GME are not doing anything significant. They're not aggressively selling off. They're not aggressively taking off. So because of that, again, you want to be very, very careful on how and when you choose to trade them, especially if you're a complete beginner and especially if you are someone that doesn't know how to manage risk accordingly. Other than that, Nvidia, after reporting earnings yesterday, is still up about almost 10%. Higher highs, higher lows. There is no breakout pattern on the way down yet, but it looks like the NASDAQ market is somewhat struggling right now. It's already beginning to retrace, which really excites me and is encouraging me to possibly jump into SQQQ for a potential swing trade. So again, I'll make sure that if you're part of my LPP team, I keep you up to date with our swing trade challenge and letting you know once I actually take the trade. And then again, my first position is probably going to be with about $10,000, and then I'll add more to it as direction becomes favorable. But I'm trying to keep my trading super simple today, staying light, keeping it tight, and making sure that I don't overcomplicate it. So if you have any stock that you would like me to break down, please feel free to share it down in the comment section. And if you have any further questions, either feel free to message me via Discord or via Instagram, which is linked in the description down below. Remember, I do trade live every single morning. And if you learn best by watching other people do, click that second link in the description down below. It's LPP 2.0. And yes, that will give you access to watching me trade live every single day. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Take care, guys.